Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We help organizations develop software more efficiently, and one key aspect of that is understanding how to implement Agile practices. In this video, we're going to answer the question, what is Agile? And clear up some common misconceptions about it. So, if you've ever wondered what Agile truly means, stick around because we're going to break it all down for you. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on more insightful videos about improving software development processes. In software development, many things get labeled as Agile, often by those trying to sell you something. If you ask the makers of office supplies, they'll tell you that Agile is all about writing your user stories on sticky notes. If you consult with a company offering services, they might claim Agile is a methodology your organization must learn through their expertise. Some even say the key to being Agile is standing up in meetings, because, of course, more comfortable shoes equal more Agile teams, right? The truth is, Agile is none of these things. The actual definition of Agile comes from the Agile Manifesto. It makes it clear that Agile is not a methodology, framework, or specific process. Most things marketed as Agile often miss the mark. Agile is about a set of values and principles. It's not strictly about following a set of practices or using particular tools. While certain practices might help a team implement Agile, they aren't Agile in themselves. For instance, a daily stand-up meeting may be part of an Agile process, but it's only Agile if it's driven by the core Agile principles and values. When you understand this distinction, it becomes clear that Agile is about creating a foundation for teams to make informed decisions about software development. This means Agile is surprisingly flexible. It doesn't tell you what to do, it helps you decide how to do your work in a way that leads to better software development. The Agile Manifesto is just 68 words, but it captures the essence of Agile development. It says, "We are uncovering better ways of developing software by doing it and helping others do it. Through this work, we have come to value individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Responding to change over following a plan. While there is value in the items on the right, we value the items on the left more." In addition to the values, there are 12 principles that guide Agile decision-making. These principles provide a foundation for teams to make choices that align with Agile values. Here's a quick overview. Number 1. Satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Number 2. Welcome changing requirements, even late in development. Agile processes embrace change for the customer's competitive advantage. Number 3. Deliver working software frequently, with a preference for shorter time scales. Number 4. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Number 5. Build projects around motivated individuals, trust them to get the job done. Number 6. The most efficient way to convey information within the team is face-to-face communication. Number 7. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Number 8. Sustainable development should be promoted, with a constant pace for sponsors, developers, and users. Number 9. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Number 10. Simplicity is essential, focusing on the work not done. Number 11. The best outcomes emerge from self-organizing teams. Number 12. Regular reflection on how to improve and adjust behavior accordingly. At Sruta Tech, we believe Agile gives teams the tools to make decisions that align with its core values. For example, if there's a proposed approach that requires a business owner to sign off on every requirement before development begins, an Agile team might question this. Does this really align with our value of customer collaboration over contract negotiation? Or does it contradict our principle that developers should collaborate with business owners daily? Consider a developer working on a feature who realizes a complex database structure is needed. An Agile mindset would encourage the developer to deliver only what's necessary to implement the feature, rather than building out a larger infrastructure that would delay customer delivery. This decision aligns with the principle of delivering working software as quickly as possible. The key, decision-making process. Being agile isn't about mimicking what other teams do. It's about making decisions based on the agile principles and values that your team believes in. Agile is flexible, and different teams may arrive at different practices based on the same principles. What's important is that the team is making decisions with agility in mind, not simply copying another team's methods. Think of it like this: after World War II, Melanesian islanders mimicked the practices they observed from wartime, like building mock airstrips and control towers out of bamboo, hoping to summon the cargo planes. Similarly, it's easy to fall into the trap of copying visible agile practices without understanding the why behind them. Simply adopting certain practices doesn't make you agile, understanding the core principles and making decisions based on them does. Agile is a foundation for making decisions that lead to better software development. It's about creating the right environment for teams to succeed, not strictly following a prescribed set of practices. At Sruta Tech, we embrace Agile as a mindset that empowers teams to develop better software more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about how Agile can transform your software development process, be sure to check out our other videos. And if you found this helpful, please like, comment, and share it with your network. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on more insights.